Today is the International Student Food Fair, but just looking at the weather going in now, it's been raining like this since morning, and it's now around 2:30, and it has been raining like this since 6 a.m. or something, 6 or 5 a.m. So anyway, just gonna go in and see if anything good happening inside the food fair. So
we are at inside the campus of AUP at SA Park. This program we're having is food fair, where all international students around the country come and display, showcase their traditional and cultural food. So we're in front of the PISA stall. PISA is the Pacific Island International Students Association. So yeah, you can take a look around and see the stalls of each international cultures, diverse food and stuff. This
is for showcasing the international students' cultural food. You get to taste the heritage, the tradition, and the culture in food. Through food, sorry. So we have Indonesia, Pacific Island, Middle East, Malaysia, Africa, Korea,
Malaysia,
Myanmar, and Thailand.
USA.
Altogether, yeah, Mexican. Masa. Latin America. So altogether it's like nine student associations, international student associations.
Successful day. The pizza sold everything out, so sold out, made good profit. It was a wonderful fun day, so just gonna go and clean up right now.